Our master is not at home. We haven't worked for a long time. Let's get to work.
What should I cook then?
Let's have a cooking skill competition. Let's see who is best at cooking.
Yeah! Great!
Hi!
Who is the first? Walk. I am Walk. I'm good at making stir-fried beef with onions and fried rice. Fried rice. I'm going to get the ingredients ready. Egg. 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 Let's stir it. Cucumber. Be careful not to cut your hand. Delicious fried rice. Let's start the show. Oil. Egg. Cucumber. Rice. I am very hot when cooking. Please be careful. All done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. I need to wash up immediately for a handsome appearance on stage. Ta-da! This is the delicious fried rice I made. Thank you! Thanks for the compliments!
It's my turn. Hi, all. I'm Frying Pan. I can fry the egg and steak. Beef steak. Let me get the ingredients ready first. Marinate the beef. Pepper. Salt. La la la. Let's start frying the steak. Butter. Beef. The hot oil may spill out. Be careful not to get burned. Yeah, all done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Look, this is the beef steak I made. Thank you.